Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. And if you are new here, hey you, hello. I'm super excited to have you join us today. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my best recipes that have helped me grow my hair really fast. If you do not know anything about me, just looking at the picture on your screen right now, you will know that I used to have relaxed hair and chemicals damage my hair. And these DIYs helped me grow my hair really faster. And because I am not greedy, I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel in helping you to grow your hair also. So if you really want to follow me, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell to be notified on all these DIYs. Let's get into the recipe. The first ingredient I'm going to use today is the flax seeds. Guys, I want to hear from you whether you have used the flax seeds in any way, whether in your smoothies, on your skin, or in your hair. I want to hear from you on your personal experience on this flax seeds. But if you haven't used this before, let me tell you some benefits of these seeds. Flax seeds are packed with so many nutrients like protein, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, vitamin E and vitamin B, and so many more. It can help you grow your hair faster. It can help you grow longer hair. If you have bald spots, if you are losing your edges, flax seeds can help you grow them back. You can also use flax seeds to even define your curls. If you haven't tried this on your hair before, girl, then you are missing out on something good. The next ingredient I'm going to use is my cloves. Guys, if you've been following me on this channel, you know I love my cloves. Cloves have so many benefits, and that is why I love using them in my DIYs. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents, which further help in thickening your hair. So guys, yeah, I shouldn't be sleeping on cloves, because if you know what cloves can do for your natural hair, girl, you will be running for all the cloves in your grocery store. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the olive oil. Olive oil does contain proteins, antioxidants, and antimicrobial agents that can help you grow healthy hair. It also adds some shine to your hair and also prevent dandruff. So as you see, guys, all these ingredients have similar properties, and that is why it is safe to put them together. Let's go on to how to prepare this recipe. So I started by boiling water and I added my flaxseed to it. I'm going to make my flaxseed gel. You do not need so many of the seeds to make the gel. Just a few of the seeds will provide you with a lot of gel. So you stir it continuously just to make sure the seeds doesn't stick onto the pan. Then as you see, there is white foam forming on the surface of the water. Then it means your gel is ready. And this is one trick I'm going to show you. Make sure you drain your water whilst it is still hot. If you wait for it to cool down, it's going to be really thick and it's going to be hard, a little tough for you to drain it. So always try to drain it while it is hot, but make sure it is at a very good temperature so you do not burn yourself. I'm going to set it aside to let it cool. Well, let's go ahead and prepare our clove water. If you've been following me here and you haven't learned anything, at least you should know how to prepare clove water by now. So I start by just putting some clove seed in the boiling water and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes till the water changes into color. And guys, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for notification on DIYs like these. Let's go on to our recipe. So our clove water is all ready now and I'm going to drain it. And guys, make sure you're watching this video to the end because I'm going to show you the best way to use this DIY to grow your hair. And also I'm going to show you a very simple hairstyle that you can wear after using this DIY. So make sure you are watching this video to the end. So this is our clove water and you can use this water to grow your hair even without the flaxseed. I use this water every morning on my hair. So make sure you prepare some of these clove water and use. And let's check on our flaxseed gel. Look at that, girl. I just mixed the flaxseed gel with the clove water, and this is what we have now. I'm going to transfer it into my applicator bottle to make applying it to the hair very easy because this can be messy. Okay, let's get my hair ready. So my hair needs to be washed. I'm going to show you how to use this recipe. This is one way that you can use this recipe as a leave-in conditioner. So I make sure to wash my hair, you know, my normal wash day routine, just wash it, make sure every part of it is really washed out. Then after that, I'm going in with my leave-in conditioning, making sure my hair is really moisturized and ready to go. So after that, I'm going to detangle and make sure that hair is really detangled and smooth. After that, I'm going to rinse all the condition out. Make sure you're watching this part really well. I'm going to show you how to use this DIY to grow your hair. So I'm rinsing my hair, making sure all the condition is rinsed out. Then after that, the usual moisturizing process, my leave-in condition, my oil and everything. Then I'm going to put my hair into parts. Having it into parts is going to make the application easier because the flaxseed gel can be really messy. So make sure whenever you're applying this, you have a towel, something to cover yourself. Otherwise, you wouldn't like what you're going to have after all the application. So I'm going to start with the front part and just look at what it's going to do to my hair. Just take your time and look at what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so look at how this gel has defined my hair. All my curls are popping. So you can use this gel to define your hair as well as growing your hair. And guess what? I'm going to leave this in my hair for 24 hours and I'm going to show you how it's going to look after that. So make sure you're watching to the end because I'm going to throw a hairstyle tutorial, a very simple one that you can wear after doing this DIY procedure. And if you are watching to this point and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, I don't even know what you are waiting for. Sis, show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for future notification. So after that, I'm just going in with my clove water, spraying it all over in, you know, to make sure that hair is really moisturized. I need water in that hair. Then after that, I'm going to put it into little sections. I'm going to braid it, then leave it to dry. Then I'm going to see you the next day and we're going to style this hair. We're going to see how it's going to come out. Okay, guys, so this is the next day and the hair is all dried. And the good thing about this gel is it doesn't produce any flakes. My hair wasn't crunchy. There was nothing. At least it made my hair really smooth and soft. Look at the hair. Look at it, guys. Look at it. You should be trying this to grow your hair. And those sis with curls, you're gonna love this because it's going to define your curls and it's going to make it really moisturized. So I'm going to bring down all the braids and just look at hair. Just look at the curls. I don't have so much curls in my hair, but at least it was still defining the little curls that I had in my hair. So after that, I'm just going to put everything together, then style it just through in a very simple hairstyle that you can rock if you have your hair like so. Look at that. I'm just going to fluff it out and put it into a very simple style. And thank you guys for watching. Just watch to the end and see what I'm going to do to this hair. And I hope you've given this video a thumbs up and you have also subscribed to my channel. And do not forget to click on the bell. And hey, before you leave, make sure you are watching the video on your screen. Just click on the video on your screen and watch it. You're gonna love it. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate your support and I hope to see you at my next video. Bye.